Hello class, how are you? Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. And today you're going to work on your class book, page 94 and 95. It's a review, okay? But before that, we are going to make a review, okay? So first, we are going to practice the time, okay? Remember, when you have the long hand here is o'clock, quarter past, half past, and quarter to. For example, it's 12 o'clock, it's quarter past 8, it's half past 8, and it's quarter to 1. Aquí tienes que poner mucha atención porque la manecilla no está exactamente en un número, sino que está a la mitad, pero dices la siguiente hora, ¿ok? Now let's practice the weather. Repeat. Raining, windy, hot, cold, snowing, sunny. Now let's practice some wedding vocabulary, okay? Repeat. Wedding, guests, cake, bride, band, invitation. Now let's practice the present continuous, okay? Remember, for the present continuous, you need the verb to be plus a verb in ing. Everybody tell me the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. And then you need a verb in ing, okay? For example, the first one. I am dancing. You are watching a video of Miss Raquel. Remember, this you is singular and is tú, okay? Now the next one. He is working, okay? Now think about a girl. She is singing, like la la la. Now think about a dog. It is running. We are working. You are watching a video. Este segundo you es plural y significa ustedes, ¿ok? And the last one, they are swimming, okay? Now then we are going to have the present continuous in interrogative. Again, we are going to use the verb to be plus another verb in ing. Acuérdate, aquí otra vez vamos a usar el verb to be, solo que en lugar de decir I am, vas a decir am I. You are you. He is he. She is she. We are we. You are you. And they are they. For example, am I talking? Yo les estoy preguntando si yo estoy hablando. Am I talking? Y ustedes me contestan, yes, you are. Sí, tú estás hablando. Or, no, you aren't. The next one. Are you paying attention? And you're going to answer to me. Ustedes me van a contestar, yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. Okay, sorry. And then we're gonna have, is he jumping? And yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Is she Reading a book? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Is it sleeping? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Are we having breakfast? Yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Are you flying a kite? Yes, we are, and no, we aren't. Aquí pon atención en la forma de contestar. Aquí les estoy preguntando a ustedes. Es por eso que ustedes me contestan con we, ¿ok? Con nosotros. Sí, nosotros lo estamos haciendo o no, no lo estamos haciendo, ¿ok? And are they running? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Now let's practice getting ready for the wedding vocabulary. Here. So repeat, make a cake, wash the car, brush my hair, take photos, choose a dress. And then remember, phonics U, remember here you're gonna have, the magic E. So you make the sound ooh. So here you have June, flute, tube, and cube. Okay, and that's it. Now you're gonna go to your class book, page 94. And here you're going to answer the first exercise. Here it says instructions. Circle the odd one out. Aquí vas a circular el que no corresponda al grupo de palabras. Por ejemplo, bride, wedding, guest, jeans. ¿Cuál no corresponde? Jeans. Y continúas con estos. Ponle pausa si necesitas para que tengas tiempo y cuando termines ya le pones para que yo te explique el siguiente ejercicio. Then here you're going to write the time, o'clock, half past, quarter to, quarter past, and then here you're going to have the weather. So for example, you are going to look at the clock and then you're going to see like the boy, what's the weather like? So it's 7:45, it's cold. And then remember, you have to look at the clock and look what's the weather like. The next one. Here in the next exercise, you have to complete the conversation. Okay, so look at the pictures. Remember, you are, everyone's, o sea, todos, have been, and is. It's very easy. You can do it. Okay. And then here you are going to complete this exercise and you are going to circle the correct sound. For example, the first one is bike. This one, no. Yes. O and magic E, U and magic E, no. And then you are going to say aloud the words. Las vas a repetir en voz alta para que sepas cuál es el sonido correcto. And then here you're going to look at the pictures, read the questions, and find the correct answer. For example, first look it here and then you have it here in little. So, is he dancing? And look for this boy on the picture. And the answer is yes, he is. And here, check your own work. Okay? If you think you work like not so good, color this. If you work good but you can do it better, color this. But if you do If you did it excellent all the time, well, color the 3 happy faces. And that's it for today, class. Don't forget to sing the goodbye song. And remember, you have to practice your spelling bee list from 1 to 200, okay? Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.